So, hey, y'all. Everybody aging okay? I am, but I'm confused because I'm aging on one half of the face and not the other. But I think it's because I sleep on this side. So, I have found a product by Peter Thomas Roth, and I bought it for my eyes. It's an instant eye firmer. But what I have noticed is, I went a little lower and it worked. So, we're just going to lather this old lady up this morning. And in real time, I'm going to show you what this product does. A lot of people were saying it left a white film. The only time it left the white film is when I used too much. And then I took a damp cloth and just daubed it. And it still left the product behind and it still worked. So with this, it's a really, really thin coat. Or it's going to be white. But I brought the hair dryer out here. We're going to do this in real time. Get around my eyes really good. And every time you see me, it's just a tiny dot on my finger. Alright, so let's do this in real time with the hair dryer. And that's my daily secret. I'll link it below. Y'all have a great day.